welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the City Safari Rough and Tumble bag. I've been so excited to get my hands on one of these and I'm so glad that I finally did. Thank you to the mama who let me do this on a payment plan. You are awesome. I just know I'm gonna be over the moon when I finally open this package. So let's get to it. Rough and Tumble City Safari Large. Little notes. Yay! Okay, so here we go, the Rough and Tumble City Safari Pack and Large. So I was a little on the fence about what size that I wanted to get, and I'm so glad that I went with the large. Let's see, it comes with the extension strap. Oh, it is beautiful. I am really excited to use this bag. Inside, I'm mostly excited about the organization that this bag has. I know that I'll be able to fit my iPad and my books that I'm reading. I switch between books. It has another pocket here with a pocket here. So I'll go into more detail about the bag, but this is a Rough and Tumble. They're in Maine, and you can order them online or on the BST page. I got mine on the BST page from a very, very sweet mom whom I appreciate very much. Another front pocket up here. Oh, the leather is just divine. So, guys, the the City Safari Rough and Tumble espresso and I believe chestnut. I'm not sure, but I will get it right in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I can't wait to pack it up and show you guys what I will put in it. Have an awesome day.